What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're making a bow tie with an electric iron, some safety pins, a measurement tape or rulers, whatever you have at your reach, a book, jotter, paper, whatever, but it's not necessary, and a pen. Yep, a pen. A pen. Yeah, a pen for markings. Then you also need needle and thread, hand needle and thread. Then a pair of scissors, fabric scissors, sharp, good, be careful. Then your fabric, two fabrics, 8 by 8 inches and 6 by 6 inches cut. Then a thin fabric for your neck to improvise an elastic band. You measure your neck on the thin fabric with an allowance of 6 inches. So the big fabric 8 by 8 inches and smaller fabric 6 by 6 inches. So first we are going to fold into a clap to the center. You also fold that at the ends to cover the rough edges. So next thing we are going to do, so it's to appear neater, is to use an electric iron to appear neater. You also do that to your bigger fabric. The same procedure to your bigger fabric, so it appears like this and this. So this rough end, we are going to place it on the other rough end of the bigger fabric. The rough side, this rough side, you place it on the other rough side of the bigger fabric. This is the bigger fabric, so this rough side, you place the rough side of the other rough side. I hope you understand what I'm saying. You place the rough sides on each other, so you get your needle and thread, and now we're going to sew through the center with our needle and thread. I'm so sorry, guys, my camera couldn't capture what I was doing. I had no idea it wasn't videoing what I was doing, but I'll make another video for you guys with details of what I did. So I just used my needle and thread and I sewed through a broken line at the center, and after I finished sewing through, I gently dragged it. So as I dragged it, it formed the shape of a bow tie. So the residue thread, I used it round the center and I tightened it. So after I tightened it, I got my thin fabric and I tied it round the center. So this is how it looks when I sewed through my broken lines. So I was dragging it here. So I dragged it and I tightened it. So when I tightened it, it looked like this. Then I tied my residue fabric, and that's your bow tie.